Do you also get confused by those viral math posts on Facebook? You're not alone. Sometimes, even calculators can't agree on the answer. Good day, my dear viewers. I'm Kuya Ems, and welcome to Chokat Lapis. This is episode 4 of our 20-part series under Sipnayan Symmetry, where we explore the foundations of algebra. Today, we'll dive into the order of operations, more famously known as PEMDAS. And just like in any real battle, we've got parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction all fighting to go first. So who really goes first? Let's find out. Imagine this problem. 6 plus 3 times 2. Did you answer 18 or 12? Different answers depending on how you solved it. Without rules for the order of operations, we'd all end up with different answers for the same question. And in math, there should only be one correct answer. That's why we need a standard way to solve expressions. This is what we call the order of operations. The most popular acronym we use to remember the correct order is PEMDAS. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. Remember? Just because M comes before D doesn't mean multiplication always comes first. You solve whichever comes first from left to right. Same goes for addition and subtraction. Let's solve this step by step. The quantity 4 plus 2 times 3 squared. Step 1. Solve everything inside the parentheses. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Step 2. Do the exponents. 3 squared is 3 times 3, so that's 9. Step 3. Multiply 6 times 9, and the answer is 54. Here's another common debate. 20 divided by 5 times 2. Some say you do multiplication first because M comes before D in PEMDAS. But is that right? Let's see. From the rule left to right for M and D, we do 20 divided by 5 first before we multiply by 2. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then multiply that by 2 and your answer is 8. So yes, 8 is the correct answer, not 2. Remember, always go left to right for MD and AS. Ready for the boss level? We have our next problem. 8 plus the squared of the quantity 12 divided by 3 times 2 minus 5. Step 1. The parentheses. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Step 2. Exponents. 4 squared is equal to 16. Step 3. Multiplication. 16 times 2 is equal to 32. And then addition and subtraction from left to right. 8 plus 32, then minus 5. So that would be 40 minus 5 is equal to 35. So the final answer is 35. To help you remember, here are some PEMDAS mnemonics. The classic, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Or maybe the adorably nerdy, pandas eat my delicious apple slices. What's important is understanding how to use PEMDAS properly. Don't just follow the acronym blindly. Remember the left to right rule for MD and AS that most people usually forget.
If you had fun or learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on our fun new episodes. We've got more adventures coming your way. History, science, and math, all with a twist of nerdy fun. I'm Kuya Ems, and I'll see you in the next one.